Okay, we're going to talk about properly branding your Gmail signature. So if you have a Squarespace website, then chances are you took advantage of the G Suite and got their Gmail package. If not, chances are you have a Gmail account because pretty much everyone in the entire world does these days. But you will be able to customize and make things a little bit more professionally branded, and I think it's definitely the way to go. So I'm actually in my personal Gmail account. It's one that I've had for years, so it's quite messy. You'll have to ignore all the inbox notifications. But I basically came over here to settings and clicked settings here and then settings again to get me into this panel. I'm scrolling down, and you can definitely add your photo here under my picture. It's pretty simple. You just either upload picture or change picture. I should probably change mine. It's a little outdated, but we'll do that later. But here in the signature, that's what I want you to see. So you can obviously change your font a little bit, change the size, and try to put some type of a little message here. It can be as positive as you want it to be, or as personal as you want it to be, or as professional as you want it to be. Definitely be authentic to yourself without taking up a ton of space and being super obnoxious, because there's nothing worse than getting an email from someone and having a million things at the bottom of it. But I do like to have either some people put a little quote there. I like to maybe try to promote them to get them to go to my website. So a lot of people will just simply type in their website address here and link it to go to, you just highlight it, click link, and then enter where you want it to go. I like to try to be a little bit more creative. So let's say I want them to go to I want them to learn more about my internet marketing school. So I can say, want to learn, about organic marketing. So I've got this nice little phrase here, or I could say maybe it'd be better probably to say click here. Kind of got on the, let's go back this way. Okay, click here to learn about organic marketing. So now I can basically take this entire thing here, come up here to link, and I can have the direct page for my website that talks about my school. So let me find it here, online courses, organic social media marketing school. I'll just copy this, come back into my settings, paste it here, and say okay. So now, rather than having my actual website link here, I've got something that's hopefully going to kind of capture someone's attention a little bit more. Now the other thing is, I am an authorized trainer, so I like to have that branding wherever possible. Other people, you want to have your logo possibly, something like that. So it can be a little tricky to add images. Now this website, this Gmail account has a Google Drive attached to it. So when I go to click on Insert Image, it's going to pull up images from my drive that I already have. So I actually have my let's see, I have my logo already in here. When it comes in, it's obviously way too large. So if you click it, you will notice that it gives you the options of saying original size, large, small, medium. I'm going to do small, and that looks definitely a lot better. And now, if you don't have it uploaded to your drive, there is another way that you can add your images. So let's say I come over here to insert image and I don't have a drive. It is actually going to ask you to do it this way. And this is what a lot of people see and kind of run across a problem with. So it's going to ask you to paste an image URL here. If this happens to you, again, you can just upload something to your drive and that should be fine. Or you can go to tinypic.com. You can find a file that you want to use. So I'm going to find my Squarespace badges, and I'll do the one without the outline. I have got it in here now. I basically just say upload. It is going to, don't click to view the image because that's kind of a trick. They're going to try to get you into another area. But you are going to come in here, Sometimes it will ask you to watch a video and then type a code. That's totally fine. It's just kind of their way. Basically, this is free because they're doing advertising here. But once you have it, you're going to say, take this direct link for layouts. You're going to highlight and copy that, come back into your settings, paste your image URL here, say select, and now it's automatically going to be in your email. So again, you can click this one, and I can say that I want it to be small, medium, large, original size. I'm going to say medium. And I am done. So now every time I send an email out to someone, it's going to, nice little message, and then it has both my branding and the fact that I'm a trainer, and then this little kind of a little push to get them to go to my website and learn a little bit more, which is a little bit more enticing than just having the website name down there. So that is how you can do a little extra branding on your Gmail account. You simply hit Save Changes and you're all done.